Welcome to my channel. Used transmissions under $500? Yes, it's possible. Step 1. Set a realistic expectation. Don't expect a like-new transmission at this price. Under $500 usually means a good used one from a wrecked car or an older model. What matter the most is condition, mileage, and warranty. Step 2. Know the exact transmission code. Before even searching, find the transmission code. It's usually on the metal tag or in the owner's manual. Without it, you'll waste hours looking at parts that won't fit. Step 3. Hit local junkyards and salvage yards. They are one of the best spots to score a deal. Most salvage yards pull and test transmissions before selling. Some even offer up to 90 days of warranty. Ask straight up if it's been tested. Step 4. Check online used parts stores. Online at Gearshift Auto Parts, we often list verified used transmissions. You can filter by price under $500 and then match your transmission code. Read every detail. Step 5. Always verify mileage and condition. If the seller doesn't mention mileage, ask for it. A used transmission with 80k miles and clean fluid is better than one with unknown condition. Step 6. Ask for a short warranty. Even cheap transmissions can come with limited warranty, sometimes 30, 60, or 90 days. It's worth it. It gives enough time to install and test it properly. Step 7. Don't ignore shipping or core charges. That $450 deal can quickly turn into $600 if there's a hidden core charge or high shipping fee. Always ask about total cost after shipping and core return. Some sellers offer free shipping. Step 8. Read reviews before paying. Before sending money, look up the seller or yard name online. Check their Google reviews, Facebook page, or Trustpilot score. 1 minute of research can save hundreds of dollars. Step 9. Have a mechanic inspect before install. Once it's delivered, have a mechanic check seals, fluid color, and any visible damage before installing. Sometimes even good used transmissions can develop leaks if stored poorly. Step 10. Keep the receipt and test thoroughly. After installation, drive it in all gears, test the reverse, and let it warm up. If it shifts smoothly, you've got yourself a solid deal under $500. Keep that receipt safe for warranty claim. Thanks for watching.